Hi there, I'm Chris Kunne. I'm an application specialist here with AXYZ. Today we're going to be showcasing our Move HMI on our Trident platform here. So the big thing about our Move system is you can upgrade it with any of your normal A2MC machines. We just want to showcase some of the differences. So right away, very visual. I see all my zones. This yellow border here indicates, where my pins are. I can even see my pins. I have a lot more visual representation of what's happening at my machine and a lot more touch control. So as you can see here, I can do some simple things like jog around, right, as per normal. I also can do my tools menu here. I can go through and grab all my tools, all the same functionality you're used to, but a lot more visual in how it works, right? So same with origins as well. And if I wanted to jump back to my machine, I can use my little key switch here and I can jump to my smart console, maybe do some specific setups like that. Today we're going to be showcasing ABS. That's one of the better features here. So I'm going to move to my ABS location and do a quick jog over. Right. I'm going to switch to my tool, and I can do my tool change here. All right. Quickly jump back just to double check I'm in the right spot. We're going to load our file here. I already have it set up. We got our ABS file. All right, so here we go. And we're going to hit run, and we're going to give it a jog through. We're going to show all the dots. So one great feature is lighting, as I know is a bit of a pain. We have upgraded a lot more ability for the pixel ratio. As you can see, we're automatically jogging through the points. As so, I'm going to turn off that manual feature. So actually, this is really good. So as you can see, it's kind of not picking up the dot, but we're right in that location. So one thing that I can do, I can quickly jog it over, right? If I really want to make sure that I get into the right location, I can select that point. Say I want to go down a little bit here, right? I want to go over. All right, so I'm pretty close there, but you know what? I'm just going to skip the point. So there we go. We're going to move to the back ones here. There we go. Makes that nice adjustment. Last point. Okay, save that one as well. Again, if we left it in auto, it would do all this process automatically. Now the last step here, I really want to pay attention to, so it's going to apply our offsets. So it's basically going to adjust our file to where we need it to be. Right, apply offsets and continue. We click run. And away we go, just like that. So a lot more visual, a lot more hands-on, a lot more tactile to what our customers are normally used to, right? So we can get in there and really get a lot more hands-on with a lot more options, our camera, move commands, zooming, measuring options, stuff like that.